A controversial 90-day fiancé Alum recently gave a shocking update about their child's immigration status. There have been several franchise alums who have had to leave their children behind in order to pursue the K-1 visa and move to America. Jasmine Pineda, Larissa Lima, and Loren Allen all left their kids in their native countries to find love abroad. This was also the case for 90-Day Fiancé Season 11's Aminata Mina Mack when she moved to the US from France to be with her now husband, Marc Bessette. Mina originally had a controversial status over her head as fans discovered, correctly, as confirmed by Mina, that she was a former stripper. To that end, they thought she was a gold digger regarding her relationship with Marc, who is 23 years her senior. However, Mina proved that her love for Marc was true, and she gained 90-Day Fiancé fan acceptance in the process. Mina and Marc recently celebrated their 1-year wedding anniversary and 6 years together. Last time viewers saw them at the Season 11 tell-all, they were happily married, but still having issues with Mina's son, Clayton's visa to join her and Marc, and Mina and Marc's daughter, Maria, in the US. In the comments of the anniversary post, Mina was asked where Clayton was, and the person said they hoped he was on his way, and she responded. Mina was heartbroken and in tears when she realized 11-year-old Clayton would not be able to make it to her and Marc's wedding due to his immigration issues. She detailed how she felt like a bad mother and that she didn't want to give Clayton the impression he was any less important than Maria. So the fact that Clayton is still not in the US over a year later must be a continued blow to Mina's emotions. However, Mina, Marc, and Maria have been to Europe several times to visit Clayton and holiday together. Clayton was very supportive of his mom's decision to move to the US and relayed his hopes to join her, Marc, and Maria during the season. Marc also agreed to adopt Clayton once he came to the US, and that still seems to be the plan. In the meantime, Clayton lives with Mina's sister in Paris. Mina is originally from Angola and immigrated to France. Clayton was born in Angola to an assumed Angolan father and may not have French birthright citizenship, and therefore would not have a French passport. That means, in order for Clayton to go to America, Angolan immigration, as well as French and American immigration would have to be involved. For Clayton, Marc, and Mina not to have success with Clayton's immigration status, it means the holdup must be complicated. It's likely Marc, a successful pilot, has hired an immigration attorney to handle the complicated situation. But in the meantime, the 90-Day Fiancé couple are still in limbo regarding Clayton.